In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. If a web page isn't showing the latest changes or keeps loading outdated content, a hard refresh forces Chrome to reload the page and retrieve the newest files from the website. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the web page you want to refresh. On a Windows computer, hold down the Control key and click the refresh button next to the address bar. You can also press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. On some laptops, you may also need to hold the Fn key if the function keys have secondary actions. If you're using a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R to perform a hard refresh. This tells Chrome to reload the web page without relying on the cached version whenever possible. After performing the hard refresh, wait a few moments while Chrome reloads the page. Depending on the website, it may take slightly longer than a normal refresh because the browser is downloading the latest files instead of using cached data. If the page still doesn't update correctly, you can also clear Chrome's cache. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Delete Browsing Data, choose Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. After clearing the cache, reload the web page again. A hard refresh is especially useful when websites have recently been updated, images aren't loading correctly, or you're troubleshooting display issues during web development. That's how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.